We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
Here we're making our favorite lemon garlic marinade. Start by peeling or zesting the thin yellow skin from a lemon and add it to a bowl large enough to fit the chicken. To the lemon zest, add the juice of a lemon, making sure to keep out the seeds. Add olive oil, tangy Dijon mustard, salt, crushed red pepper flakes for some heat, and a generous amount of fresh ground black pepper. Remember, all the ingredient amounts are shared in our recipe on Inspired Taste. Now for the garlic. There is no need to mince it. Simply crushing the garlic is enough. Then for some freshness, add a handful of herbs. Here we are using parsley, but other tender herbs like basil or cilantro would also work. Give the marinade a good mix, then add the chicken. Toss it around until well coated. Then marinate for 1 hour or more. Even though we call this our favorite chicken marinade, we use it for marinating fish, shrimp, pork, and even vegetables. To see us use the marinade, hop over to our lemon garlic baked chicken breast video. They are so juicy. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.